guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So for today's look that I came up with, I actually had many different sources of inspiration, but before we get into it, I just want to share with you guys these earrings I'm wearing today. I am totally in love with celestial type designs. I love stars, I love moons, and this one definitely fit the bill. I actually got it from Loft. I know I've mentioned many times how much I love Loft. I just think their clothing is cute, it's affordable, it's work appropriate, and now I'm totally loving their accessories as well. So yeah, okay, so just want to share that with you guys. Let me go back to the video now. So today my look was largely inspired by Dua Lipa.
Dua Lipa.
I'm going to pop up that picture that inspired me right here. I just think she looks incredibly gorgeous in this photo. Just love how smoky and sultry her eye look is, and I love that pop of green. So immediately I started thinking about how and if I could recreate the look, and my mind immediately went to the new Christmas Coffee palette from Too Faced that I recently purchased. I did talk about it in my bargain haul video, so if you haven't seen my bargain haul video yet, definitely check it out. Yeah, I love bargain hunting, and I share with you guys some tips and things that I recently bought. There is specifically this green shade in there. It's called Holy. It's really pretty, sparkly. But I did mention the first go around when I used it, it had so much fallout. I had a really bad experience with the palette. So this is my attempt number 2. If you want to see what I did differently this time around and if it made a difference, definitely check out this tutorial. I definitely go through all that. And I also used my white chocolate bar palette. There's a black eyeshadow shade in there that definitely I felt I could use to smoke out the look to recreate Dua Lipa's look. So yeah, this is my attempt to recreate her look. Hopefully I did it some sort of justice. And also the reason why I want to do this look is because St. Patrick's Day is coming up. So yeah, so if you guys want to see how I create this look, I think it would be a perfect way to, you know, embrace St. Patrick's Day, celebrate St. Patrick's Day. If you have any sort of like special occasion to go to, I think it's a great way to spice up and level up your everyday eye look. I think it's definitely really sultry. So if you guys want to see how I create this look, then watch the tutorial. Okay, so first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so. The next step I'm going to take is I'm going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And I want to take a step that I did in my last video, or I have been doing, which is taking an angled brush. And then today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Christmas Coffee palette. So I'm going to go in with Christmas Coffee, and I'm just going to kind of sketch out where I'm going to place the tape. And then after, I'm going to go in with the tape. First apply a base shade all over the lid. So I'm going to go in with, I think this is called Warm Me Up, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Okay, and in Dua's picture, she has this super smoky eyes. So I'm actually going to switch palettes and go into my Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette. There is this black sugar color, and I'm going to use that to smoke out the edges. And then for the inner corner to the third of, or the half of the lid, I'm going to be trying to recreate that glittery green shade that she had going on. So I'm going to go in with Holy in this palette. I love that name. And then I'm actually going to try using my finger. Last time I had used a brush and I felt like there was so much fallout. I feel like there is a much better difference by using my finger. And I am really not sure if the camera is picking it up, but this shade is like holy. It is so glittery, so pretty, and it's so much better when you use your finger. And she also did bring some of the green to the inner corners, so I'll go ahead and do that. I'm actually going to go ahead and highlight the inner corners. I don't think she did, but I just like to brighten up and whiten the eyes. So I'm going to go in with Cool Whip and just highlight the inner corners and the brow bone. And I'm going to go in with my Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Lining Pen, and I'm going to draw a kin flick. I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape and first fix up any of the wings that I need to do some fixing up on. And now after I'm done fixing the wings, I did see that Dua Lipa had some black sugar and she brought that to the lower lash line just to enhance the depth of the look. I'm going to go ahead and pop on a set of falsies. Again, I'm going to use my trusted all-time favorite Idole Natural Lashes.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, I'm back. Oof, that was kind of tough today. I don't know about you guys, but every time I seem to take a slight break from using falsies, it is just so hard for me to start to pick it up again. I don't know what it is. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my lower lash line. I'm going to use my Lancome Hypnose Drama. So now I'm nearly done with the look. I'm just going to go ahead and dust on some blush. Again, using my Too Faced Sweetheart Perfect Blush Blush. And then I'm going to dust on some highlighter. And just because this look is rather smoky, the eyes are kind of intense, I'm going to go ahead and balance it out with my Lancome Les Absolute Rouge lipstick in Rose Amnesia. And yeah, there you have it. This is the finished look. I think it's a great way to incorporate green into your eye look, especially for the upcoming St. Patrick's Day holiday or any sort of like event you have coming up where you kind of want to smoke out the eyes, amp up your everyday eye look. And yeah, and I thought Dua Lipa looked fantastic. I hope I kind of channeled that into my look today. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more content. Bye!